Hi guys, and welcome to another video, and today we're going to be putting on a Maxton Designs rear boot spoiler that's just fallen down onto the 2017 Audi A5. So this is how it looks before, and then I'll film the process of putting it on. It should be pretty simple. It's got some 3M tape and then just bung it on top of the boot. Hopefully it should come out quite nice. It's the first of many modifications I'm going to be doing to this A5, so start of another project, hopefully similar to the BMW 4 Series that I own. Choosing the worst possible time to film this video, as it's night time and it is freezing, but this is the rear boot spoiler in question. It's from Maxton Designs. Cost me around 120 quid. It's got the Maxton Designs logo here, and we also opted for the carbon fibre effect look. There was gloss black and there was also textured, but the other two weren't in stock and they would have taken a while to come, so the the carbon fibre was the only one available, so we just opted for that. So without sticking it on yet, that's how it looks. Once we fit the spoiler in, I'll show you how the ambient lighting looks out inside. So here's how the final product looks. The Maxton Design Carbon Fibre look on the rear boot. I think it looks pretty nice. Nice carbon look design as well. Let me know what you think in the comments below, but I think the design, the splits on the top, as you can see there, I think it all looks really nice, and happy with how it looks. Here's how it looks with the lights on, not that it makes a difference. Particularly love this angle as well, the way it just bounces off the boot. So here's the ambient lighting I was on about. I've got my flash on because it's a bit too dark, but I'll show you with flash and without. I really love the purple ambient here with the cup holders, and then you've got it underneath the footrest as well. Honestly, I think it just adds so much to the car, and I wish my car had that as well. Let me show you how it looks without flash now as well. So here it is without flash, a bit dark, and it might not show properly through the phone, but honestly it looks so much better in person. At the back as well, so with tinted windows. So that's the first mod done. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Leave a like, press that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.